Yes. If you see the structure of tooth, if you see the internal structure of the tooth, this is very important for 4 marks. The diagram, only diagram will be coming, okay? Only you will get diagram for the finals, okay? So here, tooth, here it is a jawbone, the jawbone, okay? If you see, this is a dentine, this inner one is a dentine which is surrounded by a white color thing. White color thing, this is enamel and the crown. The total tooth has been divided into 3 parts: crown, neck and root. Crown, neck and root. Okay. So here these are gums. Gums, this is dentine, and this inner space is called pulp cavity. The inner space is called as what? Pulp cavity. The membrane which is surrounding this dentine is called periodontal membrane. Okay, this is the jawbone, and it is supplied with the nerves and blood vessels. Okay, it is supplied with what? Nerves, and the greenish color which I have drawn is nerves, and the things. So again, one more thing is entering inside and leaving outside. Those are blood vessels. Okay, even the tooth is supplied. Only ikkada varake blood supply ఉంటుంది, తర్వాత ఉండదు. అందుకే ఎప్పుడైతే ఈ హోల్ జనరల్గా టీత్లో ఏదైనా ఇన్ఫెక్షన్ వచ్చింది అనుకోండి, క్యావిటీస్ అంటారు కదా. ఇఫ్ యూ గెట్ ఎనీ క్యావిటీ, ద ఫుడ్ మెటీరియల్ విచ్ యూ ఆర్ ఈటింగ్, ఇట్ విల్ బి ఎంటరింగ్ హియర్, అండ్ హెన్స్ వీ కెన్ సెన్స్. లోపలికి వచ్చినప్పుడు మాత్రమే సెన్సేషన్ అనేది ఉంటుంది. సో దట్స్ వై విల్ ఫీల్ లైక్ పెయిన్. ఓకే, that is the thing. So this is structure of the tooth, which is very important, which is consisting of crown, neck and root. The outermost white color thing, this is called as enamel. Enamel is the hardest substance of the body, okay, of the tooth, and here it is shining substance which is present on the dentine pine unnatuvanti substance. Okay, and if you see, these are present in the buccal cavity. And one more thing is salivary glands. As we already discussed that mouth, buccal cavity, digestive system includes mouth, buccal cavity, pharynx. Okay, so we'll see about all this. Mouth, what all are present? Tongue and teeth are present in the buccal cavity. Tongue and teeth are present. Okay, and in this buccal cavity region, and we will have salivary glands. Okay, salivary glands are of 3 types: parotid glands, submaxillary or submandibular glands, sublingual glands. Okay, salivary glands ante enti, which produces saliva. Okay, saliva telusu kada, note lo tema untundi kada, లాలాజలం అంటాం. So that saliva is produced by salivary glands. So there are different types of salivary glands: parotid gland, submaxillary or submandibular glands, sublingual glands. Okay, parotid glands are present below the pinna and on the inner surface of the cheeks. Okay, below the pinna and on the and inner surface of the cheeks. And next, submaxillary or submandibular glands are present at the angles of the jaw. We'll have. So we can feel the saliva which is coming outside. Next, sublingual glands. These are present below the tongue. So if you see, you will feel the difference. Okay, below